cast on 13 stitches. So after pulling 6 stitches, we are going to make a pattern by using another color of yarn so you can see it better. Yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit. Then pull, so now purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5. Okay, and then sorry. Because this is the wrong side. Now we come to the right side again. Now knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, knit 4, knit 5. Okay. Then purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5, purl 6. Come to the wrong side again. Purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5. Yeah. Then knit the rest 6 stitches. Come to the right side. Okay, now I'm going to knit 2 together. Knit 2 together. So you see the bubble shape. Okay. Purl 1, purl 2, purl 3. Then knit the rest 6 stitches. Oh, come to the right side again. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. Come to the wrong side. knit 6 stitches one by one, and then purl 1, purl 2, purl 3. Okay. Then knit the rest 6 stitches one by one. We come to the right side. Purl, 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 purl. And now I'm going to knit the 3 stitches together. See? Then now you can see the bubble shape. This is water bubble. Thanks for watching.